Welcome to AstroCamp's 60 Seconds of Science. I'm Michelle Ferrara-Peterson. Today's activity is making a star chart. First step is to print out the two parts of our star chart linked in the description of this video. Now that you have the two parts of the star chart, there are a few more things that you will need. You'll need a paper clip, another piece of paper, a stapler, and a pair of scissors. Notice on my copy, I've highlighted where to cut in purple to make it a little easier for you. The trick to cut the middle out is to fold it and create a diamond for your scissors to go through. Now that you have your pieces all cut out, we're going to assemble our star chart. And we're going to put 3 staples in. Put the staples closer to the edge. The next step is to insert your disc so that you can read the months of the year here, the times of day here. The North Star is circled. This is at the tip of Ursa Minor. This is where you're going to put the tip of your paper clip. To use it, lie on your back with your head and the word north pointing towards the north. The directions at the top will take you the rest of the way.